In this guide, I'll show you how to use Google Voice Typing on your Samsung phone. So the first thing you want to do is go to Settings and scroll down, and we're going to select General Management. Now once you're here, scroll down again, and where it says Keyboard Samsung Keyboard, tap on it. So from here, we're going to be toggling on Google Voice Typing, and select OK at the bottom. And then you want to press the back arrow in the top left corner, and now we're going to select Samsung Keyboard Settings just above it. So from here, scroll down and you want to look for voice input and tap on it. And then you want to select Google Voice Typing. Now I also recommend you toggle on Use Side button for voice input. And now we're going to go back to the home screen. So at this point, open up any of your messages. In this case, I'm just going to open this up. So now you have the option of selecting the mic icon in the bottom left corner, or you can press and hold the side button and Google Voice Typing will automatically pop up, and your speech will automatically be converted to text as you can see on screen. This guide was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.